A dirty, greasy engine can make your car look old and hide problems like leaks. Instead of using water or scrubbing, you can clean it safely and easily with a dry method. It removes dirt, adds shine, and keeps your engine looking fresh with very little effort. Before you start, make sure the engine is completely cool. Cleaning a hot engine is dangerous and can cause cleaners to evaporate too quickly or even damage parts. Engine cleaner helps remove built-up grease, oil, and dirt from your engine surfaces quickly and effectively. It makes cleaning quick and easy without using water or any scrubbing at all. First, use a powerful vacuum cleaner to carefully remove loose dirt, dust, and debris from all visible engine surfaces. Then, spray the high-quality engine cleaner evenly over the entire engine bay, focusing especially on dirty, greasy areas. Avoid spraying the cleaner directly onto electrical parts unless they are properly sealed or protected. After the cleaner has fully soaked in, use a clean microfiber cloth to gently wipe down the treated areas. For tight corners, crevices, or stubborn spots, use a soft detailing brush to gently loosen the grime. No need for hard or aggressive scrubbing, just a few light, careful strokes are enough. The dirt will transfer onto the cloth or brush, so switch to fresh, clean ones as needed to avoid smearing it around. After cleaning, use a quality plastic and rubber protectant to lightly coat hoses, covers, and plastic engine components. This gives everything a nice, dark, restored finish and adds a layer of protection against future dirt buildup and UV damage. Simply spray it onto the engine bay areas and wipe it evenly with a clean, dry cloth. By following this easy, safe, and effective method, you can quickly and confidently clean your engine without using any water or scrubbing. Vinyl and rubber care is perfect for finishing an engine clean without water or scrubbing. It adds a deep shine to hoses and plastic covers while protecting them from dust, UV damage, and future grime buildup. Spray the engine with vinyl and rubber care, and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. Turn the cloth regularly and use a new one when needed. For tight or moisture-sensitive areas, spray the product onto the cloth first, then wipe gently. By using this easy and effective method, you can clean your engine effectively without water or scrubbing. With these simple steps and effective products, you can easily keep your engine clean, protected, and looking like new, no water and no scrubbing required. Regular maintenance like this helps extend your engine's life and keeps your car running smoothly.